guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Arianne. Please subscribe, it would mean so much to me. Today I will be showing you some really simple DIY phone cases. I have a Samsung, it's the S8 Plus, and you can never find any cute cases for it. So I thought I'll just make my own because I want a cute case, but I can't find one that is cheap or fits my phone, because iPhone, anyone can have a really cute iPhone case, but Samsung, I don't know why, you can't get them. So I made some really easy DIY phone cases, so let's get into the video.
This DIY is a great way of using up all those old nail varnishes that just sit in a drawer. All you'll need is a dish that is slightly bigger than your phone case. Fill that with water and leave it to sit overnight so it gets to room temperature. You can have whatever colour scheme you want. Try and use 3 or more different colours. This will give a nice effect once it's marbled. Pour the nail varnishes into the water in whatever pattern and formation that you like. Once you're happy with how it looks in the water, get a straw or a stick and swirl the paints together a little bit. This will give it more of a marbled effect and mix the colours in better. Hold your phone over the water facing downwards and dip it straight into the water and lift it up. Put this on a towel to dry and leave it overnight. The next day you are ready, you can put it on your phone, and that is your marble phone case complete.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, cause I'll slip into your dreams.
For this next DIY, you're going to need a clear phone case. Using a foam brush, apply Mod Podge all the way around the inside of the phone case. Once the inside of your phone case is completely covered, you can start pouring in sequins of your choice. I'm using hexagon sequins and I'll link them down below so you can get the same if you want them, but any sequins will do. Pour the sequins over the Mod Podge, tip the phone case upside down and just shake it out to get rid of all those loose sequins, and then fill in the gaps with the sequins that have fallen out, or pour some more onto the phone. Once you're happy that the whole phone is covered, put another layer of Mod Podge over the sequins. This will make sure that the sequins stay in place, and now you're done. You can put that on your phone and you now have a sparkly sequin phone case cover.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us.
For this final DIY, you're going to need another clear phone case cover. You are going to need to tape up all the sides. I used masking tape, but actually it wasn't strong enough. I would suggest using a duct tape or something else, or maybe frog tape, which has a stronger adhesive and it will stick to plastic better, because I found when I poured the resin that it kind of fell apart, so it poured out a little bit, but it did still work. But try and use something a bit stronger than masking tape. Don't forget to also put tape around the camera hole. Once you have everything taped up, start pouring in the gold flake. I'm using rose gold flakes that I found at my local craft store, but I'll link some down below on Amazon that are similar. In a plastic cup, mix in your resin mixture according to the manufacturer's instructions, and also add some gold flakes to the resin mixture. Make sure to mix the resin mixture really well, and then pour this straight onto the phone case, ensuring that you cover the whole case. Leave this overnight to dry. In the morning it should be ready to use, and just pop it on your phone and you have your beautiful rose gold flaked resin case.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn.
So those are 3 really simple and easy DIY phone cases that you can create at home. If you do recreate them, please share them on Instagram. I'd love to see what you've done. My Instagram name is happyasme, and make sure to subscribe and like the video, and let me know down below which one was your favourite. And I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.